Welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to publish your book. So the first thing you do is to go to kdp.amazon.com. So you type that on your browser, kdp.amazon.com. Okay, so when you type that on your browser, it's going to take you to this page. Then you click on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So you click on that. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to take you to that platform. It's going to take you to the KDP Amazon platform. Okay, so so once you sign in, it will take you to this page. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you have three things you have to do to complete your publishing. So the first one is the Kindle ebook details. Then second part is the Kindle ebook content, and the third part is the Kindle ebook pricing. So you are going to fill in all your details here. So fill in your details here, your language, the book title, which is the title of your book, then your series, you can leave that since your book is not series. Then edition number, you can leave that one. Then author, that means your name. And then contributors, if you have another person that you both work on the book together, you can put the name of that person there. And because that's the first thing every audience see about your book. So you may want to write a very catchy description of your book. And then you have publishing rights. So this one you click on, I hold the copyright, since you are the one who is the author of your book. Then you have this also, the keywords. That's another important part that you need to pay attention to. So here you want to use words that people will often use when they are searching for a book like yours. So some will even go as far as hiring an SEO expert to help them with this one. Then you have categories. You choose two categories that are very relevant to your book, that are very related to your book. Then you set the age, the minimum age of your reader, and the maximum, you set it there. And then under pre-order, no, I'm not pre-ordering this book, so I will pick the first option, which says I want to actually use the book now. I'm ready to release my book now. So after that, I can just click on save and continue. So this detail, I'm going to fill them in now. Okay, and then I will click save and continue. All right. Language, I have English. Book title, I have ebook creation, publishing, and monetization. Subtitle, a complete guide on ebook publishing. On that series, it's not a serial book, so I will leave it. Edition number, I will leave it. The author, I will put my name there. Okay, then description of my book, I will put the description of my book there. Make sure it is compelling and catchy. Then publishing right, I will click on I hold the copyright. Then keywords, I will put in keywords that will make my book to be visible to anyone when they search for it. Then categories, I chose non-fiction, then education, and then under this education I have these two that I have chosen. So just pick two categories that your book belongs to. So if you are writing a fiction book, you start with fiction, then you pick the subcategory. If you are writing a non-fiction, then you click on non-fiction and then keep the subcategory that describes your book. Then for now this is optional, so I can leave it. It's not children's book I'm writing, so I can leave it. Then I will go to the last one, pre-order. No, I'm not pre-ordering, so I will click on the first option. I am ready to release my book now. And then when I'm done with that, I'll click save and continue. Save and continue. So It's going to save, and then it will take me to the second part, which has to do with the ebook content. Now, the first thing I have there is add digital right, so I'll click on yes. Why am I adding digital right? Because this will prevent an unauthorized sharing of my book. So it's going to prevent an unauthorized sharing of my book. So I'll click on that one. Now the next one is upload my ebook. So I'll click on upload ebook. Now don't forget, you have to upload an ebook that is in KPF format. KPF format. So I'll look for that one. I'll look for the ebook that is in KPF format. Now let me see. Okay, so now look at this one here. You see that it is in KPF format. Look at the extension of this one. So you could see writing and publishing.kpf. So that's the one I'm going to use. So I will just click on it and upload it. So it will be automatically uploaded. Okay. Okay. It has finally uploaded the book. So it's going to process the book and check for error. So once it is done processing the book, it's going to the error inside that book, or if the book is free of error. So let's allow it process. Still processing. Run the manuscript check. Okay. So the only error you have here, it says spell check. There are 6 possible spelling errors. So what you do is to view them. So you view them and then you go back to your manuscript and try and correct those errors, and then you upload them back again. But if it's an error that can be ignored, you can ignore it. So let me check the error it's pointing at here. It's talking about acknowledge, then it's talking about pioneer, priority. So I think these are minor errors that I can ignore, because pioneer is actually an account, and this is not recognizing that word as an English word. So, and pioneer is an account that is recognized everywhere. So I will just click on ignore all. So I'll click on ignore all. Okay. And then move on. Okay. So it says all spell check warnings were successfully ignored. So now the next thing for me to do is to click on back to content. So I'll click on back to content. Then I'll continue my publishing work. All right. So let's see. So the next thing would be that I will need to now upload my book cover. So I can either choose the one that is pre-designed by Amazon, or I can decide to upload a book cover that I have designed by myself. So I'll just click on upload a book cover you already have. And now your book cover must be in JPG format. Okay, so either JPG or JPEG format. That should be the format of your book cover. So I will just upload my book cover. So I will look for the file, then upload it. Okay. So where is the file? I'll click on browse and then go and look for the book cover. So it's important your book cover must be in JPG format. Okay. They're uploading. So let's see. Now if there's no error there, then I have just a few things to do Then I'll move to the third part, which is the final part of the publishing process. Okay, save successfully. So I can see this, the cover upload successfully. Okay, so in that case now, I will just go down. Okay, now I don't need an ISBN because this is ebook. Then for the publisher, you are the publisher, you can write your name there or you can just leave it. It's optional. Okay, now then I'll click on save and continue. Click save and continue. Okay, save and continue. So I will leave that. All right. Okay, save and continue. So that will take me to the third one. Now here you have KDP select enrollment. So I will click on enroll. Now when I enroll on KDP select, what that means is that Amazon will now take the responsibility of marketing my book on its own platform. Now, disadvantage of this is that you won't be able to publish the same book, market the same book on any other marketplace. So, the choice is yours. But I am picking enroll my book in KDP Select. Then I will leave that. All territories, yes, I will leave that. Then my primary marketplace, yes, Amazon.com. That's correct. Then for my royalty, I'll click 70%. I'll click on 70%. Then for my pricing, for my ebook, I'll put $3. I'll pick $3 for that one. Now with $3, I will have 70% of $3, and then Amazon will have 30%. So I'm cool with that. Then I'll move on. All these other ones will automatically be updated, so I don't need to worry about it. Okay. Then I'll move to the next one there. Now here is saying it can take for your title to be available. So that's the hours it takes for your book to be under review. And within 72 hours or less, you have your book published if there are no error or no situations or issues concerning your book. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to click on publish your Kindle ebook. Publish your Kindle ebook. Okay. Publish your Kindle ebook. Okay, still loading. Still loading. Okay, you can see the congratulations message. Ebook creation, publishing, and monetization, a complete guide on ebook publishing. Then the amount is $3. So this is how you get your book, your ebook published. Okay, so don't forget it takes 72 hours for that book to be finally published. Now it is under review, and that is how you are going to see it in your bookshelf. I hope that is clear. Okay.